And new tonight, an illness affecting children that the CDC says is linked to COVID-19 has been confirmed in South Florida. Up until this point, most of the cases have been in New York. Now, one Miami hospital says they have 2 patients receiving treatment for multi-system inflammatory syndrome. It's a rare but deadly children's illness that's linked to COVID-19. Nearly 200 cases have now been confirmed in 19 states and in Washington, D.C. In South Florida, Jackson Health System confirms there are 2 children at the Holtz Children's Hospital who meet the criteria for multi-system inflammatory syndrome.
Fever, abdominal pain, and rash seem to be the presenting symptoms.
A spokesperson with Holtz says both of their patients are receiving the appropriate treatment in their pediatric intensive care unit, and they are showing signs of improvement. Nationwide, at least 3 children have died from this new illness. In severe cases, it can inflame vessels and the heart, sending some children into shock.
While it is a very serious illness, it is also very rare.
In New York, 87% of the cases tested positive for either the virus or for antibodies, which indicates past infection. The CDC is now asking doctors to report cases to get a handle on this new illness nationwide.
The way she was breathing, it was hard.
In New Jersey, Chevelle Rodriguez's 3-year-old daughter, Eleni, was exposed to COVID-19 after her mother tested positive in March. Eleni was treated for 4 days in the ICU. She is now back home, and her mom says she is back to her normal self. Hospitals have formed teams of specialists to study these patients after being discharged. They're concerned about complications that some of these kids may have later.